Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a Gimp tutorial on how to select by color to delete a background. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is hover over to the select by color tool. It can be on the fuzzy select, so you do have to right click it and then press select by color. And then if you hold down on certain colors, you'll notice how certain ones get pink and certain ones don't. So let's say I wanted to delete the blue in the sky. I would draw on the blue and try to avoid the white. And then it'll go ahead and select all of that. And then you can just press edit and then cut. And then as you see, it kind of deletes it. The issue with this picture though is that as you see, it when you get the background, it clips like the bike and stuff. So you want to try to get colors that contrast each other well. And if you're having this issue right here, what I would do is I would take another version of this image before I crop it, copy it, put it over this image, and then so that way when I delete this background, right, and I press edit and then cut, I can, okay, let me go ahead and edit, cut. As you see, it deletes this, but if I just put another exact version of this picture right here and then just cut out the background, now all this will be gone perfectly and I'll still have like my bike left. Like I could just literally do a crop like right here and it would put everything back that went missing. So you could get pretty creative with it and all that other kind of stuff. And now let me go ahead and press select none. And then as you see, the background is deleted very good. And if there's a couple little blemishes like right here or something, you can just take your eraser and just go ahead and hit that like that. Now it's gone. Easy peasy. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a a Gimp tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching.